Hey, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you, it's pretty much that when you got a mistake, you just got to figure out the way to fix it, and the best way to fix it. In this case right here, you see this mirror, right? Now this mirror, you can't even tell because you see the curves. This is 3 pieces, well actually 4 pieces. You got a piece here, top side, middle, and at the bottom. And that's because we wanted to eliminate the stretch, the pullback. What I mean by pullback, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let's go to the other side because this customer had to come back so I can repair it. So the better way to do that is this way. So let's go to the other side. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about with the pullback. So this is the pullback. And that's because the vinyl was stretched further than it should have went. With this chrome, it's a little different from regular vinyl. You can't really stretch this chrome like this because you'll either distort it or you're gonna have issues behind it. So that's what you get. So now we gotta redo this. We're gonna take this up. We're gonna pull it up and then, like I said, we're gonna fix it and do the other side. The way I did it, we had a line here, knifeless tape on this line, that line, and then we created one already in the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and repair this one and then let this customer be on his way. But I wanted to show you this because, you know, how many people gonna really show you their issues? Reason why customers sometimes come back. I'm one of them guys, man. I want y'all to be successful out there, so that's the way you wanna do it. If it gotta be 4 pieces and you can hide it, you can do that. All right, so here's a quick shot of what I mean by the pieces. So in the inside, we got 1 piece already. And then with the tape, the knifeless tape, we ran one here. And then we got one at the bottom, and we got one at the top. Now the cuts here are gonna be based off of the line that's here. And then when we get to the top side, we're gonna cut it right there. So the knifeless tape, I got 3 of them running. And we're gonna pull them at different times. We'll pull this one first, second, and then this one last. That's the formation you want to go to have that successful finish. All right, so that's the first layer. Once you get your layer, you got to put another knifeless tape alongside, on top side of that. So we're gonna make that cut next, this section. All right, so that's the finale. Last one. Got that done, and you can't tell because of the angles. You take advantage of those curves, and that's how you take advantage of it, by piecing it separately. Now this here is a rock chip, so you can't do nothing about that, but for the most part we got it together. Thank y'all for checking out this video. My subscribers, I appreciate y'all. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. Hit that subscribe button below. Catch y'all in the next video.